Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A12s, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Start by accessing calendar. Now pick a date by clicking on the one that you want to set up. I will go with that one, and click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Now you can customize your event however you want to. For example, you can add a title, change color, pick starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature by clicking on all day over here. You can also scroll down, choose location, set up notifications minutes or hours before, take notes, and even invite people from your contact book. When you're done, click save at the bottom right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully created. If you wish to delete it, you can always click on it and tap on this delete icon at the bottom right corner as well. Then choose delete to confirm your choice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!